The 2014 BMW M5 30 Years of M5 Limited Edition. Shown for the very first time at the Amsterdam Motor Show in 1984 and introduced for the 1985 model year, the BMW M5 quickly made a name for itself in the midsize sedan market for blending excellent performance with luxury and an attractive design. Exactly 30 years have passed since the first generation model was unveiled, and the German manufacturer is rolling out an anniversary model to celebrate the nameplate's long-standing success. Suggestively dubbed 30th Anniversary M5, the limited edition model gains subtle exterior and interior updates plus a significant power update under the hood. This festive Bimmer is not only faster than the M5 fitted with the competition package, but it's also the fastest road-going BMW ever built. The bad news, however, is that only 30 units of the total 300 will reach US soil before being sold through a rather complicated process. As per BMW, those looking to purchase one of these vehicles will need to keep an eye out on the company's Instagram channel, where a phone number for the reservation hotline will be gradually unveiled between May 17 to 21. Once the number is complete, 29 units of the 30th Anniversary M5 will become available for booking, with the final example to remain with BMW of North America and sold at a later date. In addition to buying a limited edition sedan, the lucky buyers will also be invited to a one-day M driving school at a private motorsports facility in Palm Springs, California. Updated 4 September 2014, BMW unveiled a promo video above for its new M5 30 Years of M5 Limited Edition. Click past the jump to read more about the 30th Anniversary BMW M5. Exterior. The first thing that catches the eye is the spectacular frozen dark silver metallic paint, which is taken straight from the exclusive BMW individual palette. As with most anniversary models, this BMW M5 is adorned by a few unique styling features that make it stand out from the pack. The first thing that catches the eye is the spectacular frozen dark silver metallic paint, which is taken straight from the exclusive BMW individual palette. Next in line are the 20-inch, light alloy M wheels finished in silver with black inserts and complemented by gold brake calipers. Naturally, the sedan's body has been fitted with numerous 30 Yara M5 badges painted in black chrome. These exclusive decorations can be found on the kidney grille surrounds, the front fenders, the door handles and even on the exhaust tips. Nothing striking overall. Bi-color M wheels. Interior. Cabin modifications were kept to a minimum, with a black Alcantara and leather combo covering the seats. Cabin modifications were kept to a minimum, with a black Alcantara and leather combo covering the seats, while the same Alcantara hue can be found on the center console and the door panels. As expected, 30 Yara M5 logos are present as well, being embroidered on the M seats and carved on individually numbered badges placed on the passenger side of the dashboard. Other than that, future customers will be greeted by the same updates introduced in 2013 and an Alcantara-wrapped M Sports steering wheel. Individually numbered 50 Yara M5 plaque. Drivetrain. The 30th Anniversary M5 benefits from 600 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, 25 horses more than the M5 with the competition package. The most important update resides under the hood, where the 4.4-liter V8 engine received a significant power bump via increased turbocharger pressure and engine control module tweaks. Specifically, the 30th Anniversary M5 benefits from 600 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, 25 horses more than the M5 with competition package and 40 horses more when compared to the standard M5. Needless to say, this is the most powerful road-going vehicle built by BMW. Equipped with an improved M Servotronic function and an updated M Dynamic mode, the sedan is now capable to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 3.7 seconds, about half a second quicker than the M5 with competition package. Prices. With only 300 units set for production and only 30 to cross the pond to the US, the 30th Anniversary BMW M5 isn't cheap. It retails for $138,275, including destination and handling. That's a $38,000 premium over the BMW M5 with competition package, with starts from $100,200. Competition: Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG S4 MATIC. Customers that won't be able to get their hands on a 30th anniversary BMW M5 can always head to Mercedes-Benz for a high-performance sedan. The E63 AMG S may not benefit from a special edition model, but it has plenty of power at its disposal, with the biturbo, 5.5-liter V8 churning 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Available exclusively in an all-wheel drive configuration, the German sedan is actually quicker than the 600 horsepower M5, being able to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, while its top speed is limited at 186 miles per hour. Making this even better is the vehicle's $99,770 price tag, although the sticker can blow past the $115,000 mark if you go crazy with the options. On the other hand, if you can settle for the 550 horsepower delivered by the non-SE63 AMG, the starting price decreases to $92,770. Cadillac Cts-V sedan. Although the Cts-V sedan is in dire need of a refresh, this Caddy is still suited to take on the BMW M5. Hiding a huge, supercharged 6.2-liter V8 under the hood, the Cts-V benefits from 556 horsepower and 551 pound-feet of torque. With a 0 to 60 sprint time of 4 seconds and a top speed of 186 miles per hour, the Cts-V is one of the fastest sedans you can buy nowadays. The vehicle comes with a 6-speed manual and numerous standard features, including performance tires, heated mirrors and HID headlamps. For the interior, the standard equipment list is quite long and comes with items like adjustable front seat lumbar support, cruise control, ambient lighting and a 10-speaker Bose audio system. If you can handle the Cts-V's dated looks, Cadillac will reward you with a $65,825 sticker, an unbeatable offer with these performance figures at hand. Check all the boxes on the options list and the sedan will end up costing about $74,000. Conclusion: it's more than obvious that BMW is taking advantage of the M5's heritage to roll out its most powerful vehicle yet. The extra power is a great addition to the sedan, but the limited production numbers and the high price tag will make it unreachable to the average Joe. Nonetheless, the 29 units available stateside will sell like hotcakes and will become prized collectibles in the not-too-distant future. Love its significant power update, exclusive paint and features future collectible. Leave it only 30 units sold across the US. Very expensive.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.